Hello guys and welcome to the Throttle Car Reviews that brings you alluring moto vehicle experience. Remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Today we are going to get an up-close on the legendary Nissan Patrol Y62. The Nissan Patrol Y62 comes as either 5-seater or 7-seater SUV full-time 4-wheel drive with exceptional on- and off-road agility. In 2010, the brand new, 6th generation, Y62 series Nissan Patrol was introduced. Nissan Patrol Y62 is powered by a 5.6-liter VK56VD V8 engine that generates 400 horsepower and 560 newtons of torque. The vehicle is equipped with Nissan's intelligent mobility driver assistance features like lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking for front and rear cross traffic alert, and blind spot monitoring. There is an accessible hydraulic body motion control system. Lane departure warning, computer-assisted braking, stability control, a rear differential with an electronic lock, hill start and hill descent control. Nissan Patrol is powered by 4-wheel drive with terrain response management system for rugged and hilly areas. This makes the car to compete with other cars in the same class such as the Toyota Prado and Lexus LX570. The following are the features that make this car superior: powered leather seats, multifunctional steering wheel, sunroof, crash-sensitive door unlock function, 18-inch alloy wheels, dual-zone climate controls, 13-speaker Bose sound system, rear-mounted spoiler and hill start and descent assistant which provide luxury and comfort in the car. Is the Nissan Patrol Y62 a good value for money? It is a sturdy, dependable 44 that has many cutting-edge safety features. The Nissan Patrol is a fantastic option for people looking for a car that is both practical and economical thanks to its roomy interior and smooth ride. Share your sentiments in the comments section.